Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Danny Sebastian. Today I'm going to share an unboxing video of IZI Mini X drone. I bought this drone from IZICart.com, the company website. The reason why I'm not skipping this video is that because you must know how the company people are sending their products to customers like us. If you're planning to buy this product from IZICart.com, then you must watch this video completely. I bought this for 38,000 rupees. Oh my god, this is my drone. Are these people fools or they don't care about how customers will feel after seeing this packing? A good thing they have done is that they have used bubble wraps. I hope this drone will fly properly. Luckily, my drone doesn't have any scratches. This drone has a 20 megapixel camera with 4K. This drone is very lightweight and it is under 249 grams. It has 10 flying modes. It is made in India, and they are giving 1-year warranty. Please remove this camera protection cover before turning on the drone. If you don't remove the camera cover, then you might get scratches on it. This seems to be the batteries of the drone. Yes, it is. I have purchased the Fly More combo. That's why I received 3 batteries. Each battery is of 2600 mAh and has a flying time of 31 min. Altogether, 90 modimins is what the company people are saying. This is the battery charging case. At a time we can charge 3 batteries. This is the C-type charging port. We can use this as a power bank as well. Now let's switch on the drone. This is how you should insert the battery in the drone. That's the power button of the drone. Press and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds, then the drone will switch on and make 3 beep sound. Again, after 3-4 seconds, the drone will make a single beep sound. Then the gimbal camera will start doing calibration. Press and hold the power button on remote control for 2-3 seconds, and it will switch on with a beep sound. Then you will see a red light and few green lights on the remote. These are the 10 flying modes of the drone. I will be sharing my flying videos, camera clarity, and true review on my next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel so that you don't miss any videos. Thank you.